温泉里面，
他在找油。要去找，他被冲掉。
So it's going to dig down to see if there's any water.
都是塞湖的，要把食物藏在里面。
看你要下了可以当地的。
哦 ，water。哦。他肚子痛。
There's not nearly enough here to keep you alive for long. In this climate, you need around 10 litres a day.
He said you need 10
Dehydration is now one of your biggest
L,
enemies.
10 liters of water every
10
day.
liters.
10
Water
liters.
in your body, you become a quarter as efficient. That makes your job of surviving much harder.
哦，别了，椰子啊。
So when it rains, it collects inside anything that's like
The
this.
odds against you are now stacking up.
哦，
This
都水它
island
都
just isn't the larder I was hoping for.
那个我尿没尿？
But nowhere to look, and you can find food.
哦
no no no，
Don't see me coming, they're all disappearing into their shells.
So he sees crabs.
一头
Disappeared and roll back down the hill.
螺吧，螺来了，
螃蟹，
They're not actually their own shells.
大
这把它吃掉
可
了。
以吃啊，生吃。
如果吃啊，
沙西米，
Take it over,
Yeah.
and then when they grow
这
bigger,
个也吃
they'll
啊，
abandon their
又不是
house
福寿螺，
and they'll find
直
a
接
new
挤下
shell.
去哦。
But these
看
You can
我
eat
出去了，
So he's just going to eat
我
it.
靠，这个拔
always
掉。
got back to their shell.
断啊！
哦耶！哦，
哦，
呀
然后吃上面那个，
Ow!
啊，太咬了。
All of that, the guts,
真的厉害。
and then he's
哦，
got
他
this
爆，
one
他压爆。
big claw
搞
here.
他蛋蛋。
哦
哦耶！
，no no no，
哦啊！
挂掉了。
So it's like, do you eat crab claws? Yeah. They're really good,
Oh.
right? So it's like the same.
哦，这样米。
quite quick. Get them before they retreat.
So this is called a hermit crab.
Worry
Hermit crab. In the U.S., people keep them with their kids. Like kids play with them. Yeah.
Cue them up.
But he says you can eat them.
I don't want to
那一
eat
直
the
去
raw
拔它们，
but
结果都
full
没
of
吃。
harmful
有可能还
bacteria.
在收集啊。
Oh, he said you cannot eat them like that. You have to cook
It's like
them,
signing your own
or
death.
you will get sick.
寄生虫。
I'm gonna forage for more supper. And I
是
need
应该不是
something to help
会
me.
不会掉在一个就是什么补偿掉
而且你知道寄生虫吗？
The real bounty to be found out there in the sea.
他搞到这个等等，我他下课的时候，
有可能。
At the end of this, this will act as a
然
regular
后他就拿他的那个。
看我得我得讲啥？
So now he's gonna go hunting,
free
hunting
dive
for
and then
fish.
see what I can find on the seabed.
什么抓到一只长条蟹，
真的？
大闸蟹。
The coral surrounding the island should be
他
plenty
口
of
那一
food,
波坑了吧？
and I'm after something that I can get
什么？
easily.
今晚吃熏汤鱼。
Sea cucumbers are some of the simplest life forms in the sea. They sift plankton and waste on the seabed.
还是
Has a
Dirty
sea cucumber.
tube-like feet
还
around
是
their
比这个还
mouths.
是。
Just like
他
the
要趁
earthworm,
，Do you eat
they're
this in
complete
Taiwan?
recycling
Yeah.
machine.
As sashimi?
No no
No.
哦！
别看那么多水。
废话。
Protein rich foods in the world. And perfect
哦耶！No no no。
哦！
哦，
好火啊！
好恶心。
但海参现在很贵，傻傻的。
Would you guys eat it like this?
No。
那你还难吃耶？真的吃。
看我吃过2瓣。还可以。
那这样跟吃轮胎有什么差别？
太腥了。
太恶呀，大便。
black, salty, rubbery.
He says it tastes like a car, the tire.
我说美，你看
橡皮
吃轮胎一样。
要死！是里面的肉啊，怎么会吃外面？
And try and find something more
烤布不
substantial.
要吃。
哎，干，你就这样把它丢在那里哦。
会吃，他在找。
再找其他的海参，看有没有比较好吃的海参。因为它那一根是哪里啊？
那个他做。
Can you swim? All of you, can you swim?
Yeah.
Okay. That's kind of important if you're on an island.
摄影师也是很惨。
他已经有那个全套武装，一定有。除了摄影师，主持人不会有。
And soon I can manage almost 2 minutes.
摄影师也是蛮会游的。
If I ignore my body, I can black out and drown.
不知道你。他只想秀演技。
呛到了。
叫什么？他抓到了一只龙虾。
龙虾小兵。
还抓很多屌的那种。那个。
But you have to be very careful because if you don't pay attention, you can get further out. Yeah, water can drag you out.
Hypoxia is a stealthy killer. In the US alone, 4,000 victims drown every year.
He said 4,000 people in the U.S. every year will die
Your expanding
because they
air-safe
drown.
lungs raid your bloodstream for oxygen. Before you know it, you're unconscious, and you die without any idea of your impending death.
等到一艘船。
屁呀！他在演哪一出啊？
Now I'm ready to hunt. And there's some fish I spotted on the bottom, buried in the sand.
So he was just practicing how to hold
These have been known
his
to
breath,
kill.
and now he's going to hunt.
Venomous bark laden with enzymes, which destroy body tissue. If I go for this, I need to get it right first time.
因为他军人其他孩子。
I'm looking for the telltale mound in the sand, which will give it away.
他都没大，
I'm hunting for food on the ocean floor on a tiny Indonesian island off the Sumatran coast. I'm using all my survival skills to show you how to make it out alive. I'm diving for stingray.
Oh, he's going to try to catch a stingray.
Powerful jaws.
A stingray is a fish that's shaped like this, and it has a tail
Get too
that will
close to one,
hit you.
and these will be known to kill.
鱼叉的样子。
红鱼。哦。
I'm looking for the telltale mound in the sand, which will give it away.
Yeah, they're very, very flat, kind of like this, and they're very flat, and they have a long tail, and at the end of the tail, it has a sharp tip. Yeah.
Horse.
My lungs are now bursting, but
搅
I'm
一搅才能不
determined
能
to
吃
get
呢
it.。
我们抓到了，红鱼抓到了。
他抓红鱼。哇，小只红鱼。
那个毒了。
它是尾巴有。
那个插下去神经毒就掰了。
But if there is no stinger, they are actually very friendly. They will play with you.
It's very dangerous.
It's very dangerous, but if there's no stinger, if you take the stinger out, they will play with you. They're very fun. When I was very little, my grandfather would take us to a place to see many stingrays, but they didn't have a stinger, so we could just play with them and
Challenge
they're
now
very
is
cute.
fading light. Back on shore, I've got to get a shelter made before nightfall. On the equator, it gets dark like the flick of a switch, so I need plenty of time to find just the right spot to to make camp. There's great tip end of the island.
那把牙齿
It's
整
probably
大，
going to be my best place
让小朋友
for a
去碰。
shelter.
So now he's going to build a
小朋友
shelter.
也有呢。
Okay, so a shelter,
So I can see
a
it
place to live, a house. Yeah, a house.
凶啊！
A nice sea breeze is going to get the sand flies away. I've also got the street, going to give me good shade from the sun. Got loads of driftwood and firewood as well. Let's see what we can get. My chances of signalling to a ship are slim. These aren't exactly the busiest shipping lanes in the world, but there are fishing boats out there which might spot you. Build your shelter off the ground, well away from
Okay, so it says keep your house off the
least
ground.
analysis.
Okay, so it doesn't get water or something in, or the animals don't get in your house. So keep
This
it.
driftwood,
盖高一
for
点。
shelter. A bit of wood improvises for a
你要
hammer,
看有没
and I
有
can
长
trim
草
the
了，
dead
不是
branches
啊，要
with my
看那个
knife.
动物间距。
长草。
So if you don't have a knife, what do you do?
No.
I don't know either. What would you do if you don't have a knife? Use a rock. Maybe a rock, a sharp rock.
就他
Your teeth?
These are just what I need for my roof. They're huge, and their leaves are natural channels for the rainwater to drain off.
So this is called a palm tree. Palm tree.
Almost me with it.
Now I need something to lash everything together with, and I know just where to find it.
他现在条件长，你知道吗？
So you want something to wrap it together. So he has to look for a vine.
It's
A long
actually just
vine.
one giant, huge
可以用你
fig
吗？
tree. But it's got
Okay.
hundreds
不是吧？
of
都
these
是当
vines
家。
sprouting
走
up.
神。
And these would be ideal.
这个你多久？
一个礼拜。
一个礼拜已经不。
Super, super strong.
不是怎么起来？
你在发炎。
These vines are incredibly supple and strong, and will help to reinforce my shelter against tropical storms. Vines are the answer to a survivalist prayers. In Indonesia, there are more than 2,000 types, and these can be hundreds of feet long.
That's the vine down. Cool, let's go get this built.
I'm making an A-frame shelter, tough enough to withstand a tropical downpour.
That's the first upright slice together. That's gonna go like that.
差两个地方。
Good. Okay, so we're running out of time. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay, so it's not okay, so it's not easy to survive on an island, okay?
Yes.
So I want to test you. Okay? So you have a piece of paper, each of you,